Supplementary angles are angles that add up to 180 degrees. Hello guys and welcome. Today we are going to look at some examples of supplementary angles. We will start with angles on a straight line. In this diagram, A and B are supplementary angles. That means if we add them, they should give us 180 degrees. This is because together A and B make a straight angle. We know that angles on a straight line sum up to 180 degrees. That means angle A and angle B are supplementary. So if we take A to be 20 degrees, then B should be 180 minus 20 degrees, which is 160 degrees. Now A, B, and C are not supplementary. Of course, A, B, and C are adjacent angles that sum up to 180 degrees. This is because together A, B, and C make a straight angle. Now, for angles to be supplementary, there should be only two angles. That means angles A, B, and C are not supplementary. Now, supplementary angles don't need to be necessarily attached. C and D are supplementary angles. Since 40 plus 140 degrees is 180 degrees. These two are disjoint but supplementary. Let's have a look at a trapezoid ABCD. We want to find the size of angles A and C. We are given that D is of measure 146.8 degrees. Angle B is equal to 50 degrees. Now, a trapezoid has a pair of parallel lines. In our diagram, AB is parallel to DC. That means angle A and angle D are co-interior angles. Co-interior angles are always supplementary. Whatever the case might be, they add up to 180 degrees. Similarly, B and C are co-interior angles, so they are supplementary as well. That means B and C should sum up to 180 degrees. Now, what it means is angle A is equal to 180 minus 146.8 degrees, which is 33.2 degrees. Similarly, angle C is equal to 180 degrees minus 50 degrees, that is 130 degrees. In a parallelogram, we have four pairs of supplementary angles. Let's consider a parallelogram with angles W, X, Y, and Z. Now, we know that consecutive angles in a parallelogram are supplementary. In our parallelogram, W and Z are consecutive angles. Consecutive angles in a parallelogram add up to 180 degrees. You may want to say they are co-interior angles, so they are supplementary. Similarly, X and Y are consecutive angles. Being in a parallelogram means they add up to 180 degrees. W pairs with X and Y pairs with Z. Let's put some real numbers in the parallelogram. Suppose Y is equal to 60 degrees It means x is 180 minus 60, that is 120 degrees. These are consecutive angles in a parallelogram, so they are supplementary. W is equal to 180 minus 120, that is 60 degrees. Otherwise, Z is 180 minus 60, that is 120 degrees. Yeah, that is correct, because we know opposite angles in a parallelogram must be equal. Lastly, opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. If a quadrilateral is inside a circle and all its vertices are on the circle, then the opposite angles of such a quadrilateral add up to 180 degrees. In this particular diagram, A plus B is equal to 180 degrees. C and D are opposite angles. They are in a cyclic quadrilateral, so they are supplementary as well. So if we take A to be 20 degrees, then B should be 180 minus 20 degrees, which is 160 degrees. Suppose the measure of angle C is 45.25 degrees, then D must be equal to 134.75 degrees. That is from B 180 minus 45.25. So these are not all, but examples of supplementary angles. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the notification button for more videos.